So, hello guys, welcome once again to a new video. Today we are working on this Dolce Gusto Piccolo machine. This is almost brand new. Just received it in my workshop because the owner said that even though he just bought 1 month ago this unit, he experienced a lot of vibrations, and the machine is literally going away from the countertop in the kitchen, and the cup of coffee, it's falling down from this tray here. So I will show you a video how this works. I put it in my kitchen because here I have some foam insulation, but on a hard countertop you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So afterwards we will open it up and maybe work on the pump, because this is the only moving part in this unit. So let's see. I don't know what we will find, if we will be successful on this repair, but stay with me and let's see. So yeah, I think you saw already how this machine is doing. Yeah, it's not something that you want to have in your kitchen. Even when you make your coffee, your cups should not fall out, even though this is almost a brand new machine. So let's open it up and yeah, inspect the only moving part, which is the pump. So yeah. We have fully opened up the unit. As you can see here, there are not so many parts. So we have the main board here, then the water heater, and here is the actual pump. And the pump has an oscillator, vibrating middle core, which yeah, sucks water from the water tank and pushes on the other side. So this is the only moving part in the whole unit. So I presume this will be the problem for this unit. So in order to quickly resolve this and see if this repairs, I will put another pump in it, and we can test it to see if there is yeah, maybe vibration. anymore. So if with the new pump there's no vibration, we can know for certain that this is the problem, and maybe we can open up this pump to see why is this creating so much vibration. So let's remove the pump and swap it with another one. So yeah, this is the pump. Actually looks pretty good. I don't see any corrosion, any water outside of it. But yeah, let's change it with another one and see what will be the result. I have here a donor unit with a good pump. I will take out this one and put it in the one that we are working on. As you can see, there are two different brands here. So we have one which is from Ulka, and the other one is from, let's hope you can see, from Defont. Hope you can see this. But nevertheless, they are the same power, the same voltage, so they are 100% interchangeable. So now let's take out this one and we can swap it. The process is exactly the same as for the other one. This white connector goes on the main board on the pump terminal. Okay, I don't know if you see what I'm working here, but you should believe me. Okay, this one goes here like so, and then this one, the input should be connected here like this, and this has to slide inside here. Click. Okay, so let's make a quick check. We have the pump connected to the board, we have the power connected to the pump, we have the input, the suction part of the pump connected to the water tank, and also everything is connected here. So let's see if now it works. So yeah guys, I decided to come back in the kitchen on the counter, on the hard counter here, because I noticed something really strange. So this is the unit which had the shaking fault. I took over the good pump from the other unit and put it inside this, and I was not expecting this, but the vibration is still there. So what I did, I took the, let's say, bad pump and put it in the good working unit. And this works perfectly. So from this, I can tell you exactly that the pump is not the problem here. Also, we can exclude the insulation part, like this rubber mount, which mounts to the casing. I took over the entire pump with this rubber insulation. So let me show you again what's going on. This is the unit with the good pump with vibration. So you saw it already slips on the counter with the good pump. And let's see how this unit works with the pump that was initially in this one. Also from the sound, you can tell that this is way better. And you can see it doesn't move. No vibration. So yeah, guys, really strange what's going on. Since these are the only moving parts and I swap them together, should not do this. What is different between the units is the heater, but this is not a moving part. Even though this is bigger and this is smaller, this has only to do with the power of the heater. So this comes quicker to hot water, but that's it. Also different is the PCB board, the main board. As you can see on this one, this has a newer board and improved board. And this has the initial original format, the old one. So yeah, I think I have to go again to the drawing board and find out what's going on. Unfortunately, I was aiming and hoping that the pump will be the problem and only a swap of the pumps will resolve this. But it seems it's not the case. I saw a lot of you people have returned these units in the shop, so I think Krups or DeLonghi, whoever makes these units, knows about this issue, and it's not something quick repairable. So that's why they decided to change the unit. So yeah, if you have any idea what's going on, please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, maybe I will do a revisit on this one, because I really am intrigued what's the problem here. So yeah, for the moment, it's not something that I can repair, but I'm waiting for your suggestions. So thank you very much for seeing this video, and hopefully we can see each other on another one. Okay, thank you very much. Give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.